deploy to the world without modification. And those three are autonomous cars, because you gotta drive, everyone needs to drive. Drones, because sky's the limit. And then humanoid robots, right? Because the world is built around the human form factor, right? Like the human hands, right? All the appliances and tools and equipments, all of those are built around the human body and human hands. So then, because of the importance of humanoid, that means it has to be something of a North Star, right? For a company like NVIDIA. And that's what our team has been working on. And that's Project Groot, which is our Moonshot initiative to solve general purpose intelligence for humanoid robots. And if you recall, right, Apollo 11 mission, right, everyone remembers that's the moon landing mission, but also what came back from Apollo 11 are things like micro electronics, right, those microcomputers controlling, right, the space modules, and like infrared sensors, right, and other kind of, materials, right, special materials that ultimately found their way into civilian use, right? Super, super useful building blocks towards that mission. And we see Project Groot to be similar. It is NVIDIA's moon landing mission, and on our way to land on the moon, we'll build all the components and tools that we'll share with the ecosystem along the way in the hope that it will be very, very useful to boost the ecosystem even before all of us land on the moon. And previously, my colleague Deepu presented the three computer problem, right? So we have the OVX, the DGX, and the HGX computers representing different parts of the stack to solve humanoid robotics. Like the training stack, right, for foundation models, the simulation stack, like Isaac Lab, all the simulation tools and sim-to-real algorithms, and then the Thor, the Jetson Thor chips, and the inference stack to deploy the optimized models. So I think what's really cool about NVIDIA is because we are the ecosystem company, right? We are the platform company. That means we can create all of these different pieces of the puzzle that the developers can take as you see fit, right? You can take some, one, or all of it to build your stack, to build your kind of dream humanoid robot. And Agility is one of our best partners. And we also partner with many other companies, as you saw in the video. So there are like Boston Dynamics, like Figure, Tronic. They're using like Isaac Lab simulation, and then there are companies like 1X that has tried out our open source foundation models, which we'll get into a lot more details. And overall, we're here to support the ecosystem.